This is day 16 of 3D printing every single day for 365 days. I really needed something to put my tea to easy access above my coffee machine, and I went on Maker World and I found this really cool design. I used to use a bit of double sticky tape and it sticks to the top. But I really want to try the new build plate that I got from BQ. Looks fantastic. Like the weight, I don't know how it does it, science, but now I've got the bottom of my prints look a lot nicer. It clips in like that. I'm going to fill it up some tea. I've got some chamomile just before bed. Helps me sleep, you know what it is. Wow, audio is very terrible. And then just simply click sign and yeah, got your tea. See you guys for day 17. Bye!